Hi guys, in this video we'll see how to install MySQL database server on Ubuntu 20.04. So first update your package index with sudo apt update. You can just install MySQL server and client with sudo apt install MySQL server and MySQL client just by typing sudo apt install MySQL server and MySQL client. So just proceed with installation. So the MySQL installation has been completed without any issues. So now we can just check the status of MySQL server with system control command. Status MySQL. So our MySQL server is up and running. So it means we don't have any issues. Now we can we have to set the password for our root user. That sudo SQL installation. Just running sudo MySQL installation. This will take you to the password setup wizard. Now it is asking whether the MySQL installation want to validate your password or not. So it is better to have a validated password. I'm just giving S, and it is just now it's just asking you to select the strength of the password that you want to set. So I'm just selecting 0 for now, but you can give according to your needs. 0 means low, 1 means medium, 2 means strong. So you can see the password strength here. So I'm just giving 0 for now. Type your new password. Enter the same. Now, okay, do you wish to continue password for it? Okay, this is just asking you for confirmation. Just give S. Now it is asking you to remove anonymous users. It is good to remove that, so just give S again. And so now it is asking you not to allow root user login from other than localhost. So it is good not to allow root user to login from other hosts or remote host. So I'm just giving S here. So and MySQL installation will come with some test database, default test database. It's good to remove that as well. So I'm just giving S here. So it is asking you to reload the privileges table. Just give S. That's all. your installation is ready. Now we can just try to log in with root user. So it is root user, so we need a sudo here, sudo MySQL f1 u root -p. Enter the password. So that's all. Now you are inside MySQL client, and this is a root user login, so we need sudo to log into this account. Now we can create normal user where we can just simply log into that without sudo. So for that you have to create normal user. Use a create user query to create new user. Identified by some password. Okay, so the new user has been created. Now we can just check the users created with select commands like available here. So now I think okay, now we just create a new user with a specific password, and maybe we can give more permissions to that, maybe privileges to that user, and then we'll try to log into that user. Now just grant, you can just give I'm just going to give all privileges to this newly created user. All databases and tables. That means star. That is why I'm just providing star here. The first star means databases and the second star means tables. So I'm just providing all the privileges to that user, to all databases and tables. 2. Okay, that's all. Now the new user has all the permissions. Now just reload the privileges table. Privileges. Okay, now you are good to go. Just exit from this wizard and log in to the new user. Login with new user ID. Just by typing MySQL-u and username p. Okay, now we are in the we are just logged into MySQL client with new user. Let's say, like, if you just want to see the privileges that specific user has, maybe you can use show grant. Just typo. Okay, now it is just displaying the permissions that this user has. Okay, now if you just want to drop this user, maybe you can use a drop query. That's what this. That's all. Just exit. Now you cannot log in with the same user again. That's all.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button for more updates.